I've been working for chips and salsa the whole time. So far, for Emily's car, we took off the passenger side tire, and then I took the oil filter off, cleaned everything up, and what we've removed was the oil filter cooler assembly. That actually is held on by the same adapter that the oil filter screws into, and behind that assembly is a gasket. We took that off, and we found that the gasket was thin, just from age. It is a typical failure mechanism after I researched on these cars, but we saw that when we did our first inspection, so we wanted to check that as a precaution, just, not a big deal to do it. Last time I inspected this, I also noticed that there was a coolant line that the hose clamps were cutting into the hose, so I was prepared to change that out, and it's a good thing because what I found was that hose was actually cracked through, and I showed that in part of the video. So hopefully this is going to get a good PM. We're taking a shot at fixing some of these oil leaks. Maybe this is it, but after we're done, I'm gonna get everything cleaned up, and then we can track it for a while. So just doing an oil change because I didn't have to. I could have added oil, but we're gonna reset the clock, make sure everything's 100%, and hopefully this does the trick. I don't see any leaks.